Hi guys, this is a tutorial on how to create multiple texture painting layers using alpha channel. First, we will create a material for our mesh and we will call it sphere. Then we will create an image texture without an alpha channel because we don't need a transparent layer for our base color. Now we will create another principal PSDF layer by duplicating the original one and creating another image texture, but this image texture should be with an alpha channel, so we activate the alpha checkbox and make the alpha to 0 so that we will create a transparent layer called layer 1, which will be above the original base color layer. Now we have two different image textures and two different shaders, so we need a mix shader node to connect them together. To make the first layer transparent, we have to connect the alpha of the image texture, which is 0, to the factor of the mix shader node. Before texture painting, we have to check the UVs of our mesh. So create an edge seam around the sphere, then choose UV unwrap. You can notice by clicking the transparent image texture will make the sphere transparent also. So to view it back, you have to click on viewport shading. Select the base color layer, then click on the fill icon, choose a specific color, then click on the mesh to change the color of the base layer. Now select the first layer, click on the brush icon, select a specific color and start to paint. After finishing painting, don't forget to save your image textures one by one. This star sign means that your image texture needs to be saved. Now you can change the roughness, metallic and other values of each shader separated from the other. Now create another layer by duplicating the shader node and creating another image texture, connect them together to the base color with an alpha checkbox turned on and make the alpha 0 as we did before. Now create new mix shader node. This node will connect the old mix shader with the new image texture node, and then we will connect the alpha of the image texture to the factor of the new mix shader node. Now after selecting the new layer, choose a specific color and start to paint. Now you can choose another color and paint, and if you see your painting is transparent, so you can increase your strength to 100% and paint again. Here we come to the issue. If I save my project and reopen it again, you can notice this white border or white outline or edge around the painting. While continuing painting and saving the project and reopening it again, you can notice a new white border will be visible around the new painting.
Changing the blending mode from mix to erase alpha will allow me to erase the painting within the selected layer.
When painting in sharp edges, after selecting a constant fall off, the issue will be less visible around the sharp edge, and it will be more visible around the smooth edge. To fix this issue, we can uncheck the Effect Alpha checkbox from the brush menu and paint over the white border to remove it. I hope you share your comments about this issue and why it is happening. Thank you for watching.